Oh. No. So we're back at Colville Bay here at Lake Mead again today. I was rolling through the parking lot and I figured you guys would enjoy seeing this. It's a giant houseboat. Hello.
Howdy.
Taking a video, is that all right? I just got kicked out of there. The guy who booted me he was actually really cool, but he said there's been a lot of thefts here lately, so they're trying to like stay on top of people taking pictures of things and filming and stuff like that. Yeah, he said like hiking abroad and filming is perfectly acceptable, and he told me there's a junkyard in the hills here. We're gonna go try to find it. Oh, there's already a boat. There's like a scrunched up boat. Looks like it got into a bad wreck. That'll be cool to see. I like hiking more in the heat, more of a challenge, I guess. See if there's anything in here worthwhile. So here's a pretty massive old trailer here. Oh, there's more than one boat out there. A sea nymph. Wait, so what? Would they just hit a wall head on? "2021, that's what the registration sticker says. Nice trailer still. There's some old truck beds converted into trailers. Looks like a Toyota and then maybe an old Chevy or something without the fenders anymore. Oh, dude, that is so cool. Wow. I wish I could have things from here. Don't think about coming and stealing anything out here because it's fully under surveillance, and they said they catch everybody out here. I pulled out my camera for 2 seconds and they were right on to me. There's an old 460 Ford engine, I assume. I think that's what a 460 was. Oh, and just FYI, this whole area was underwater in the past. You can see the bathtub ring right there in front of us. But we were probably under, I'd say 100 feet where we stand. So he said there was a couple cars. I don't see any cars. Maybe you gotta keep going for that. So here's the first boat of 3 that I can see. Wow, this thing's actually really nice. Somebody was painting it. Yeah, you can see the old painter's tape burned off of it right there. So this thing is just covered in huge spider webs. I don't know how protective they are of this stuff, so I'm not touching anything. There's a big monster of a boat. Wow. That thing is huge. 25 feet, maybe longer. Of course, somebody broke the glass out of it. This is a junker anyways, you know. Twin motor, yeah, it's not worth its weight. Definitely out of commission for good. Hypnotic. Pretty well intact. You can tell by the tires it's been here for a very long time. No motor. That's a cool boat, 20 foot. There's an old floating service dock. So here's a little dirt trail. Looks like a big platform up here. I don't know what that would have been. There's a big barrel up there too. Oh, it looks like a bone. There's an old barrel of some sort. Somebody was like lighting fireworks next to it or something. So I'm gonna fast forward through this next part where I walked about a mile into the desert looking for a sunken boat that I saw from a very far away distance while recording a previous video. That video was titled "Looking for Sunken Boats at Lake Mead" and was posted roughly 8 videos before this one. Oh, we found it! Cool, dude. We found the boat. I think this is the one. This is a boat. But this right here, what we're about to see is going to be a very, very old wrecked boat because, again, this is the top of the bathtub ring. The original height of Lake Mead was about 10 feet over our heads right here, and it is way down there right now. So This is one of the first boats that ever went down here, and it is about halfway underground. It's in 2 different pieces, so this is exciting. I see something around the corner down there. So here we go. That's what an old boat wreck looks like. Here's a piece of the steering, perhaps. That is a really old dock we're gonna check out in a second. So here's our original rudder, I assume. And then there's like the rudder controlling shaft. This is as untouched as it gets for a boat wreck. Not a footprint in sight. This boat could be 100 years old. It could be 50 years old. I don't know. I don't really like to pretend I know anything about this stuff. I think I see an engine on that piece. I'm gonna assume that is a fuel tank. Yep, this is the one we saw. Wow. So somebody, unfortunately, burned it. Probably when the lake was right up here, they just pulled up and had a little fire, and a little big fire, a big boat fire. Probably stole the engine. Got some sparkles in it. So what I see here is like a transmission kind of mid-drive setup. And then I see like twin exhaust outlets. So I'm guessing it had, you know, a V8 in the middle of it or something. Maybe this was a really old speedboat, but this one, you guys are always extremely helpful when it comes to old sunken boat identification, and I assume this one will get figured out as well. So this is one of the coolest views I've ever seen. Look at that color scheme. It's like the Toyota theme now, the red, orange, and burnt yellow or whatever. Dude, just sitting against the rocks out here. I want to see if I can eyeball any more mechanical parts of it while we're up here. I don't think so. I mean, there's the battery, but it's burnt to a crisp. Here's a cool sight, check this out. Seashells everywhere. Just kind of a reality check of the fact that this was underwater. Some bones of some sort. That looks like teeth, actually. Maybe. An old coyote or something. Dude, look at this giant steel ball. Wow, it's a hollow metal ball. There's all kinds of wood everywhere over here. Here's a piece of a boat. I don't see any boats around here. Well, here's our dock. Been here forever. We found another boat. Are you kidding me? This is a giant sunken boat, dude. There's the toilet to it. I'm really in awe that this is out here. This boat is like easily 12 feet wide. This was a massive, massive boat. This is amazing. Look at the size of that fuel tank, dude. This boat was huge. These tires are easily 3 feet tall. Let me just go back the way we came. I'm gonna shut the camera off for a while. Two wild coyotes right here at Lake Las Vegas. They're actually inside the place. Beautiful. Yeah, I was coming in here to drone. I was gonna let you guys know in a second. And I saw these two dudes. And we're actually in Lake Las Vegas right now. Oh. No. Isn't that something? What's up, little dude? Wow, he came when I whistled. Let's see if he'll do it again. Wow. Pretty amazing. I wasn't sure if it was legal to drone here at Lake Las Vegas, so I actually found a security officer and he said no, it's not. But since I don't have a filming permit, he would sit there with me while I ran the drone, so that was very nice of him. He just requested that I keep it minimal and away from houses and buildings and stuff like that. So that concludes today's video. Thanks for watching, and subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. I would greatly appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.